Hey guys, I'm really excited to be talking about the JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. Now you may have seen the full review on my other channel, Mr. Yoo-Hoo, where I went into these in full detail, unboxing, testing, using out and about. But what I wanted to do today is just give you a short video to talk about my experience with them, what I think of them, some of the key features, and I think why you should get them and why they're potentially the best earbuds for 2024. Now I'll start with the case. So JBL had this case with the Tour Pro 2, and what they've done is it's become not an evolution, but a revolution since. So this case has taken on even more features and more ideas. So as you can see, you can control a lot of functions on the phone by using the earbud case. Now you can get your notifications on there. If you see the message up there at the top, you can see you can change calls, change tracks, all through there. But also doubles as a transmitter. So if you're on an airplane, for example, and you use the airplane mode, transmit to your headphones, you can use this to do that. You can share music from your computer straight to your headphones through the earbuds. You can transmit to other ones. So it works really well. And I actually tested this out. It works perfectly. But I guess the second thing is the quality of sound. The guys really have hit out the park with this. I mean, I put this on in my ears and it just sounds like I'm immersed in the music. The sound stage is incredible. And the equalizer settings, which you can do through either the case or through the phone, really add to it. But I use the spatial sound, but using a lot of earbuds. And this, the guys have absolutely nailed it. The 360 spatial sound basically means that it feels like you're at a concert. The music's all around you and it's got head tracking. So you move your head and it actually tracks the music to where you're looking. It really is incredible. And I was exercising at the gym and I thought I was actually forgot that I had earbuds on. I literally thought I was at a concert. It's incredible. And it's also got the cables there for the audio transmitter, which we spoke about earlier, which you can use. The comfort is excellent as well, like all JBL earbuds, like other ones I've used in the past. They don't move, great for exercise. They've also got, the ANC is also fantastic. This uses JBL ANC 2.0. Now essentially the ANC when I'm listening to it is so good. So I was crossing traffic lights, I couldn't hear any cars around me. That was the same traffic lights, I've got to be careful crossing while having these on because literally you can't hear anything around you. Went to the gym, couldn't hear the external music. And you can also put obviously ambient aware, talk through on there. But these are great if you just want to have the sound in there. And the good thing with ANC is when it's so good, it means the music's not loud trying to overtake other things in the background. So you can protect your hearing and your ears. It's great. It's got voice aware too, so it switches on, switches off when you hear people talking. You've got silent mode, so you can actually have ANC on without playing music. So many features packed in one little pair of earbuds. But again, the sound in these is the best I've heard from JBL. It really is incredible. A good all-around pair of earbuds. So as I said, we're giving away a pair of these through Mr. Yoo-Hoo. So you check in the links below to join it. Many entries you want. It's only available in Australia, but if you want other giveaways, check the links. These just pack an absolute punch. So great pair of earbuds, and make sure you check my full review. And also, you can change the screensaver on there to something else if you so choose. But yeah, just go back to the case. So you got all the different ways you can see the spatial sound you can put on there, the different inbuilt equalizers, timeout. Yeah, it's excellent. So let me know what you think. If you've purchased these, if you checked out the full review and any other suggestions you might have.